PLA on point. In this video, I show how to migrate PLA2 assays into PLA 3.0 documents. PLA 2.1 reached its end of life a few years ago, making it increasingly important for customers to migrate their PLA2 assay data to the state-of-the-art PLA 3 environment. The PLA 3.0 Migration and Archiving Toolkit provides all necessary tools for a compliant safe transition. It allows for exporting PLA2 data to the hard drive, archiving that data in PLA 3, migrating PLA2 assays into PLA 3 documents, and comparing PLA2 results with PLA 3. In the following, I explain the migration procedure. I start with opening the PLA2 database synchronization document that I created during the archiving procedure. Then I select the folder to which I want to migrate the assays. To convert a single assay, I open the respective document and click on Migrate. I can also open the PLA2 project synchronization document and perform the migration on all project-related assays simultaneously. PLA 3 generates and calculates the respective quantitative response assay documents. It may also provide additional documents for each standard test comparison, if demanded by the configuration. My PLA2 assays are now migrated to PLA 3 documents, and can be analyzed with state-of-the-art analytical methods. If I want, I can proceed with comparing the results of PLA2 and PLA 3.0.